Hi guys, I'm Akriti and welcome back to the channel. I know you must be shocked why am I sitting here in a sari. So that's because I have been doing like a shoot at home photo shoot for Instagram in my room. So that's just about it. Also, if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, make sure you follow me there, because all of these pictures I'm gonna be showing in this video are already there on the Instagram, and I'm redoing my feed and I've started to post like daily now. So make sure you go to my Instagram and follow me there, and here on YouTube as well. If you haven't subscribed till yet, like, what are you guys waiting? Subscribe to the channel. And now let's just get on with the video.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So for this first picture, which is this one, so this is very simple picture but looks so great and so amazing. By the way, all of these pictures are the edited ones, so yeah, I just wanted to put it right there. To be very honest, it was a tablecloth, so it was in very beautiful beige color, and I just put it on the camera and just posed basically. And this is the picture I got. This is my favorite one. The most easily available prop in your house is going to be a book. It is not necessary that it to be a novel. I have used a novel because I have a lot of novels, so yeah, just putting it right there. And yeah, so I just used this and made like different poses, and yeah, this is what I got. Just very simple. For this picture, you might be confused, how is this like taken? This is looking very different and you cannot take this in your home, but trust me, this is very simple. All you need is a TV, and like smart TV you have, and you insert a pen drive in that with the picture जो मैंने basically Google से ली थी, and just put it in my TV and उसको pause कर दिया, and then I just click the picture standing in front of it. And also मैंने सारी lights बंद कर दी थी, and this is what I got, and I think I'm in absolutely love with these pictures. Pictures are these ones. These are absolutely simple. This is as simple as standing in front of a plain wall, but to add some character, I've added these frames, which is looking, I think, great. So yeah, that is about these pictures. And now coming to one of my again favorite pictures, which is this one. So yeah, this is like a total yay for my like skills. This was very simple again. So what I did was take this blue and sea green colored chunni, which was very sheer. So I clicked it on my camera using this timer with the remote obviously, and I just like threw it like that, and here is what I got. This was the perfect picture that I got after like 20 attempts. You don't know the sweat behind this. Oh my god, it was like a lot, but getting this picture was all worth it. So yeah. Now coming to again a very simple picture, which is this one. In this picture you can obviously see very simple thing to do. I've used some fairy lights. You can use also your Diwali lights, whatever you have in your home. You can just like take it out जहाँ पर भी रखा हुआ है, and yeah, then just wrap it around your camera का lens or your phone and hold it in different positions, like I've done this and all of the other poses. So yeah. So for the next photo shoot that I did today, let me tell you guys. So this is like a simple paper. I've used this particular paper for this look and the pictures, and they have turned out great honestly. And yeah, this is what you need to do. I had a very like, what to call it, scrapbook. Yeah, that's what that's what they're called. So I took a sheet from the plain side and इसको just इस तरह से tear कर लिया है and just folded like this, and now again using a paper I did make a Polaroid out of other colored paper, which is again from that same scrapbook. Also this is very like this flimsy kind of thing, so I like put my fan off like I've done now. It's so difficult to breathe, like it's so hot, and also I'm wearing a sari, so yeah. But anyways, so you have to cut out a Polaroid like this and you can pose like this. And this is the edited picture which I've done using a lot of apps. If you guys want a video about how I edit my pictures, then do let me know in the comment section below and I'd happily make a video about it. And yeah, having said that, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. And also, if you guys recreate any of these pictures, please don't forget to tag me in your pictures on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here, and do follow me. Also comment down below if you guys want a part 2 of this video, because I already have a lot of other ideas which I'm gonna like do in the coming days and then share the pictures with you guys.